Yo, what's up? We just arrived to the almost brand new place in Tabanan Regency. Actually, not so far away from the Tabanan, and
not far away from my house. Actually.
Yes,
just 15 minutes.
And about 20-30 minutes from Canggu, and obviously little bit more from Legian, Seminyak. And we will see how is it, because this is the hotel.
Yeah, this is the hotel, brand new hotel. It's called Bali Beach Glamping.
That's actually, the rooms are like a tent style,
like
not like a
glamping.
buildings, but like a tent. So it's
Glamping style.
a glamping style, yes. And they also have a beach club. So we will see. Okay, too much my face now. We changed and show you guys a little bit around. So as you can see, the room potentially looks like this. And this is the Siang. By the way, today is so beautiful weather. Check this out, the sky, sun, Siang, happy, coconut trees. And just behind this one is ocean. When we are heading now, because we come here, actually we're not staying here, but we...
And also rice paddies over there.
Oh yeah, and also the rice fields over there. Now is the harvesting time, so they are not green, but we come here for the day pass, and we explain later how it looks.
So we just passed walking, and then we got opportunity to see how the room looks like.
Yeah, one room is open and looks like simply like this. It's like a tent with 360-degree view, and front the rice field, like I said, it's already harvest time, but in next 2 months will be beautiful green. So many green plants, really like tropical vibe, and the palm trees, very nice, honey. It is some professional photo session, or pre-wedding photo session actually, like a pro. Very nice indeed. Oh, it's ocean already. Check this out. It's quite busy here today. Kids playing. I have to face more into this way. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I'm so sorry for potentially sound, because it's ocean over here with the black sand. And definitely will fly drone later on. Definitely. I hope so. It will be possible.
So I ordered Damian chicken quesadillas. He's so hungry actually.
Almost like in Mexico, you know. But the view is very nice.
Schwarzenegger. And look at the restaurant ambience. Almost full house. Very nice. Very nice.
Yo, what's up, doggo? Even dog is here. So cool. Quite many people today. Siang gonna swim.
Super hot day.
Super hot. You look so chantic today, honey. So beautiful. And you can see people chilling. They're quite busy today. Oh, people everywhere. This swimming pool is super cool. And here will be some event today. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but definitely will be some event. Check this out. Beautiful place and beautiful weather for the any kind of events today, whatever it is. Oh, honey, you gonna jump? I will get changed and I'm gonna join you, yeah? Yeah, meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit around. So that's gonna be some sort of celebration today. I'm going to get changed, as you see, and looking for the place where is the kind of changing room. And just notice this place is a little bit similar to the previous one. However, the previous one, what you saw on the East Bali, is more likely a hotel, and here is more likely gambling bungalows. Hard to even say what is it. First time in the place like this, however, is beautiful, and the pool overlooking the straightforward into the ocean, and the beach, very wide beach, so nice, very nice. I will for sure jump to the pool, even I cannot swim because it's so nice. So many happy people chilling, playing some sort of sports. I don't know where they're coming from, however I wish to play with them. Good crack. So cool. Very nice indeed, and will be beautiful sunset soon. Honey is a little bit scared because the pool is deep, but go. Same as I, or either me, I don't know. Check this out. I will also jump to this pool. Where is my sayang? Woo. Very nice, very nice. I should facing this side because it's better, our sun. Check this out, this palm tree. Sayang. The pool is quite deep, I cannot swim. That is very nice. The water is warm. Sorry for the potentially poor sound quality.
This is overlooking the beach actually. Sunset soon.
Sunset?
Yes.
Yes, sunset. The black sand beach and sunset gonna be here soon.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need, right?
Alright, so I just get changed after swimming now. Follow me, we will see the
Iconic swing with the beautiful banana alley. Here also some bungalows. This is not any kind of paid endorsement, but we are first time and we are just like it. If we like something, we will say.
It's like in Africa, tropical. I don't know.
You really wanna go to Africa? I think so. One day we will go, especially to Cape Town. It's kinda my dream. Oh, now I know what you mean. They have a swing here. Quite sad as the rice field is after harvest time. It's not like
Hear the sound of the bird?
yeah,
So, it's already harvest time.
harvest
Feel
time.
nice.
Honey, are you happy?
Yes, I don't need to go to Ubud to feel the swing. I'm steady.
Very nice, very nice. I'm so happy as you are enjoying, honey. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the beach, honey, yeah? I just make a few pictures of Sayang healing. Check this out, this is Insta. How do you feel, honey?
So this is the spot where people always make pictures for the Instagram facing the. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful sunset.
Beautiful.
Oh, so this is the spot.
Honey, you look really beautiful today, Really nice. Comment below. Let's make a Winnie happy.
Okay.
Let's go to the beach. One more quick shot in the sunset time. This is really nice. And now is the time to go to the beach, which is also quite beautiful with the black sand, as you can see.
Oh, very nice sand. Look, the black sand is so soft, black sand. Very nice
Yeah,
and clean.
very nice. And sometimes, if you can see, it sparkle. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera
Yeah,
lens,
it's sparkle.
but it sparkle, yes?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful and beautiful
Look at
suns.
that. That's the couple who's making a pre-wedding photo
Yes.
session.
This area also is so wonderful for your private villa if you would like to build. Personally, this is one of my top one destination. If I would like to build villa tomorrow, I will just buy land here. Yes, honey? You will buy because I cannot. But I mean, by law, I cannot own. But you know what I mean? And build a villa in this area overlooking the beautiful sunset is actually on the other side. And here is the action professional pre-wedding session with the beautiful landscape sunset. Very
Oh my
nice.
god, so beautiful.
Very
So
nice.
I can say that Tabanan beach is more peaceful, more like you will enjoy more the beach in Tabanan area. It's not really tourist place. So yeah,
It's just really,
fresh breeze.
it's just really nice, especially great place for living in that area. Just 30 minutes from Canggu, but not in Canggu, but close if you wanna go partying or something, right? As you can see, the beach is very clean and very nice, really nice. This is just the coconut. It's not rubbish.
Keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time. But I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls. Our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I can't see the point of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you're all that I need. You're all that so I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
Can you see the color of the sand? Beautiful black and sparkle. Very nice and so soft. And then right in front of me, this beautiful couple doing a pre-wedding photo session. And doggos. And look at that. Also the cow. There is a cow. Nice. Oh, look at that. Those beautiful doggos. So nice. And the small cliff. I'll zoom a bit to show you. So cliff with the temple and then some locals there. I just really want to show you how beautiful sunset is. Bali sunset is always beautiful, right? So look at this beautiful couple. So nice. Damian flying his drone over the sunset. Beautiful sunset. So that's our drone flying over the sunset. Hello.
Alright, so that's how it looks our Sunday afternoon. Beautiful sunset, beautiful place. I make a beautiful shots from the drone. I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below like always, Iskati.
Yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching from Tabanan and see you tomorrow.
Like always, see ya. And also here will be cool picture of the kids who are on the tree. So nice, so cool. We are going home and check this out, the colors of the sky and the ambience and the sound of the ocean and nature. So nice.